In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach Google Drive files in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want the Google Drive file to be added. Before you attach anything, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct sheet, especially if you manage multiple projects or track several lists at once. This helps avoid attaching the wrong file in the wrong place and keeps everything organized from the beginning. Once you're inside the sheet, open the attachment panel. This is the area in Smartsheet where you can manage files connected to your work. If you're attaching a document that supports a specific task, item, or update, it's a good idea to think ahead about whether the file should be attached to an individual row or to the entire sheet. Attaching at the right level makes it easier for you and your team to find it later. In the attachment panel, choose Google Drive as the attachment source. Smartsheet supports several file sources, so make sure you select Google Drive specifically. This lets you link directly to files stored in your Google account without needing to manually download and re-upload them, which can save time and reduce confusion over file versions. If prompted, sign into your Google account. Depending on your browser, your existing login status, or your organization settings, you may need to authenticate before Smartsheet can access your drive. Just follow the sign-in process on screen and approve access if necessary. Be sure you're signing into the correct account if you use more than one Google profile, since the file picker will show the contents of whichever account is currently connected. After that, browse Google Drive and select the file you want to attach. Take a second to verify that it's the correct document, spreadsheet, presentation, or other file before confirming. This is especially helpful if you have similarly named files or shared folders with lots of content. Next, attach the file to the correct row or to the sheet itself, depending on where it belongs. If the file relates to one specific record, row-level attachment is usually the best option. If it applies to the whole sheet, attach it at the sheet level instead. Finally, check that the file opens properly from Smartsheet. This quick test confirms that the attachment was added successfully and that anyone with the right permissions can access the intended file. Doing this final check can help you catch issues immediately and ensure your workflow stays smooth and reliable.